Okay, here is part two to helping you follow up with your leads. So we talked about in the last video that the trait that I see my most successful clients having is that they follow up with their leads, right? Nothing else matters if you aren't following up. So let's make you into a follow up machine so that you can grow your business as well. I'm going to give you a 4-step system to do this. Number one is to start the day before. So visualize in your head that you are going to be following up with X amount of clients the next day. I use this tool. A lot of my clients use this tool where they write down what it is. They write down their word of the day. It goes on your mirror, like on your bathroom or wherever. This is a Post-it. See, pretty cool, huh? So that's what you do. And so that's the first thing. Number two is to visualize it. So before you go to bed, visualize yourself making your phone calls, reaching out through email, whatever way you're going to communicate. Visualize yourself doing that and really connecting with that potential client and providing value for them. Number three is to create a system. What's your system? Are you going to look them up, do your research so you know more about them and have a plan on how you reach out to them? I strongly recommend that to have it more customized, because then you connect more and they know that you care. So what is your system that you're going to use? Have that written out so it's clear and it's concise and you can do it each time. Number four is to make sure that you prioritize this. So when you get up in the morning, after you do your visualization of connecting with them, make it your priority to connect with them. If nothing else happens that day, it doesn't matter, because this is the one thing that is going to create the most results for your business. That's it. There you go. It's all tied up nicely in a bow. Wishing you best of luck. See you next time.